First Chronicles chapter 24. David, a man after God's own heart, had one final mission, preparing the house for the Lord. And at the center of the task was the priesthood, the descendants of Aaron, chosen alongside to serve before the Lord, were now being organized by King David. Each family was assigned to a sacred duty, for their service was the heartbeat of Israel's worship. The family of Aaron was divided into two branches, Eleazar and Ithamar. From these two branches, 24 groups of priests, each with time and the purpose to serve in the temple. Each group would take turns, one by one, in a temple of the Lord, where they were just simply performing rituals. They were standing before God on behalf of the people. David, alongside Zadok, the priest, cast lots to determine the order of the service. No role was too small, no responsibility was too great. Everyone had its place, from offering sacrifices to carrying the holy things. These men who walk in the footsteps of Aaron knew that their work was more than duty. It was a reflection of God's order. In holiness, His invitation for Israel to draw near. With priesthood prepared and the temple soon to be built, David had ensured that Israel's connection to God would remain unbroken, each priest fulfilling his part in the story of redemption. For David, the temple wasn't built. It was a place where heaven touched earth, where the work of human hands meant God's grace. And through priests, the grace would flow through the people. You have a blessed one day at a time, and get through the entire book of the Bible.